We're up and ready to start our day. This is kind of our view from our hotel room. We can see a little bit of the mountains. We can even down that way see the top of the Sagrada Familia. We'll be heading that way a little later in the day.
This morning we have a tour planned in the Gothic quarter. It's a free walking tour, and then later today we have a cooking class for classic tapas cooking. So join us today on our tour, and thanks a lot for liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel so we can keep making awesome videos for you.
We're on a walking tour in the Gothic quarter, and so as you can see some of the features, and we'll keep moving through. It's a rainy day, as you can see, lots of umbrellas. I'm trying to stay a little dry. So far it's been a great tour.
Shepherd! Not just any shepherd, she was a goose shepherd. You know the big duck? The one that goes like... If anyone's wondering what a goose is, big angry duck. Okay.
So we're at the cathedral, and this was showing how the lines here, this was just the one part that was redone. And then down here, what we're going to show you is the Gothic quarter part of the church. So what she was pointing out is, if you see the gargoyles and things up there, that's from the Roman part. And then the new Gothic part is right here. So if you go here with the statues and stuff, just the one section. We're in the Gothic quarter. Stop for a cafe. Wait.
Hola.
Stopped in the Gothic quarter and see how narrow some of the streets are. And we went to get a coffee or a cafe, and I got some water. And we're just relaxing. We're taking a break from the tour for about 5 minutes, and we continue on. And it's a very worthwhile walking tour. I highly recommend it. And we'll link the link below after the tour as well. Made it to the marketplace. We've been exploring fresh seafood. It's amazing. We were looking at these crabs and they were still alive, just barely moving. So talk about fresh. And it's just amazing in here. And then you can see all the wonderful things we've been exploring. So highly recommend walking around the marketplace. We're going to find something to eat and just relax and enjoy.
Oh my god, there's so much good food here. I think my head's gonna melt. I just want to eat everything. I mean, everything. I want to eat everything. I don't even know where to start. Actually, I do know where to start. €3 for this. It's full of ham and chips. So, yep, I'm gonna eat this right now.
So we're taking the Barcelona cooking class this evening, and we've been having a wonderful time. The chef took us through all the steps for making things, all the different stations, and then hopefully soon we're going to be eating. It's been a wonderful experience so far. I highly recommend it. You get to drink some wine while you cook as well. So you all jump in and do different things. So I started out with a few, I was doing potatoes, then I moved on to figs, and then I moved on to grating citrus.
You guys are having way too much fun.
Yeah, they totally
Stuffing
did.
calamari.
When you finish, you have to do high five between all the people in here, okay? High five.
Look how much fun they're having.
Well, we're gonna call this night tonight. We've had a great day in Barcelona.
We just finished our cooking class, and you know, I was not really that excited about it. Aaron wanted to do it, and I was so about the whole experience, I thought, until I did it. So I recommend doing a cooking class. We had a wonderful time. There were other great guests aboard too, so we just had a fabulous night. Thanks to the chef and everybody at cookingbarcelona.com. Had a wonderful time.
Yeah, I would highly recommend it, and this is coming from a chef. So we had a great time tonight. So yeah, see you later.